Hello friends and welcome to my channel. So today we are watching Peppa Pig and how to learn English. So it is really fun. So let's start. Madam Gazelle's house. Okay, Madam
Peppa and
Gazelle's
her family are
house.
visiting Madam Gazelle.
See how they are talking. Peppa and her family are visiting Madam Gazelle's house. See. Hello, Madam Gazelle. Now what she said. Hello, Madam Gazelle. So, okay.
Hello, everyone.
Now, hello, everyone. Like
Come
this.
in, come in.
Now she said, come in, come in. Your hallway is a big flight, Madam Gazelle. What? A big flight in the house? Okay.
Is it meant to be like?
Daddy Pig says, is it meant to be like? See, is it meant to be like? It's asking a question.
That?
No, the house is just...
So Madam Gazelle says, no, the house is just
old.
old. Everything here is a little bit wonky donkey. See, Peppa said, it's just old. Everything here is a little bit wonky donkey.
Oh,
What? It is cracking.
everything is leaning now, but
Everything is leaning now, but
it wasn't always this way.
it wasn't always this way.
When did your house start leaking?
Again, Daddy Pig is asking question. Always, okay. When did your house start leaning?
Madam Gazelle?
Oh,
Madam Gazelle. Oh, I don't know.
don't know, it's been so long. And now I have cracks everywhere too.
What? Here are the cracks. Oh my god, it is really old.
I think your house might need fixed.
So Daddy Pig says, I think your house might need fixing.
Can't I just paper over the cracks and paint?
Can't I just paper over the cracks and paint? No.
it? That is what my builder told me to do.
What the builder said. That is what my builder told me to do. Okay.
Do?
What does the outside wall look like?
What does the outside wall look like? This says Daddy Pig.
Ah, what's this?
Oh, that is...
Oh, the tree is really near of the door. So Daddy Pig has crashed into a tree but not fall. See. Now Madam Gazelle says, what's this? Oh, this is
my little Christmas tree.
little Christmas tree, but it is really big.
That's not little, that's big.
So, Madam Gazelle house is really slanted.
It was from Christmas a long time ago.
Oh, so let's see.
It was a little baby tree with a fairy on top. After Christmas, I could not bear to throw it away, so I planted it in the garden.
Your baby.
Okay. Now it grows really big. Now your baby said the Daddy Pig.
tree has grown so much.
Okay, your baby tree has grown so much.
It's pushing your house over.
See? It's pushing your house over.
That's why your house is all wonky donkey.
So, Peppa says that's why your house is all wonky donkey. So, Madam Gazelle says, oh.
Dear, what can we do about it?
Oh dear, what can we do about it? See the pronunciation of Madam Gazelle. She's really
I'll call
old.
Mr. Bull.
Okay, Daddy Pig is calling Mr. Bull. Here's the Mr. Bull.
Hello, Mr.
Now, Mr. Bull says, hello, Mr.
Bull.
Hello, Mr. Bull, says that pig.
We have a big tree that
We have a big tree that
needs looking at.
needs looking at.
I'll be right.
Now, Mr. Bull said, I'll be right there.
There. So, where's this tree then?
So, where's this tree then, says Mr. Bull.
Here it is.
Now, Peppa says, here it is.
थोड़ा सा देखो, नहीं तो हर एक स्टॉप हो जाएगा तो मजा नहीं आएगा ना. थोड़ा सा देखो, एक दो सेंटेंस फिर स्टॉप करके समझाओ. ओके?
It's a mighty fine tree you have there, Madam Gazelle. Strong roots.
Yes, but it's pushing the house over.
Oh, yes. Let's chop it down.
Oh dear, my poor tree!
So, Madam Gazelle says, oh dear, my poor tree. And Peppa shouted at Mr. Bull, stop!
Stop! I saw something move in the tree. It was...
So, I saw something move in the tree. It was
a little animal.
In that case, I must take a look.
Before Mr. Bull chops the tree down, he must check that no animals are living in it.
Aha!
Mr. Bull has found a bird's nest.
Look at that! Little birdies nesting in your tree, Madam Gazelle.
Please, can I see?
So Peppa asked to Madam Gazelle, Madam Gazelle, please can I
The birdies?
see the birdies?
Okay, Peppa, we can watch from the windows.
Ooh, lovely birdies.
I think there's something else higher up the tree. Look what's here!
Oh,
Bee.
it's the fuzzy bees, Peppa said.
Let's see what else there is.
Oh, it's an owl.
I say, look at this.
It's an owl.
Oh, I think I see something else. Onward and upward. Ah,
Oh, it's a bat. But bat don't squeak.
you've got bats, Madam Gazelle.
Actually, Madam Gazelle's best friends are bats because Madam Gazelle is an actually vampire.
Ah, my friends the bats. They remind me of the old country.
So, that reminds me of the old country of Madam Gazelle.
And what's this?
Ah, my Christmas decorations.
And a fairy.
That is the fairy I put on the little tree all those years ago.
It's a magnificent
Okay. It is really best tree.
tree. A wonderful home to so many little animals.
Yes, this tree should not be chopped down.
Hooray!
But wait, if the tree stays, what will happen to my house?
Well, eventually it will fall over.
But I need a house to live in. Oh.
I've got an idea. We'll put your house in the tree.
What? Daddy Pig said we will put your house in the tree.
Mr. Bull, the crane, please.
Right you are.
Okay. Whoa. Now Peppa says it's the tree house.
Yes, it is wonderful. I have always wanted to live in a tree house. Thank you, everyone.
Hooray!
Madam Gazelle loves tree houses. Everyone loves tree houses.
So this is the episode 1. So thank you friends for this video. Bye.